Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get in alcohol into any festival or event without getting caught. Let's get to it. Right, you need 2 bottles and a saucepan. I'm going to start off by just opening this sparkling water because sparkling water is a bit shit, so I'm just going to pour that into the saucepan and boil that. Now what you need to do is cut off this green thing here. There you go. Take it off and just throw it away. And you've got the bottle. Right, what you want to do now is cut off the top of this lid here of the bottle. This is probably going to go fucking horribly wrong, but oh well. Woohoo! Oh blimey, that is sharp. That's a good knife. Pull that off, just so you've got that bit of the bottle. Turn on your hob, put the water on it, and plonk that in there. Well, I'm going to take it out and attempt to pull it apart. Yeah. Woo. Right, use a towel, because it does get very, very hot. And then you should be able to squeeze off the lid without breaking the bottom seal. Job's a good one. Now for the booze. Now all you got to do is pour this beast into that. When you do it, make sure you leave it at a level where it looks like it is just a bottle of water. A little bit more. Like that. And all you've got to do is take the lid, pop it on there. One sealed and contained lid. Sealed and contained. Job done. Now you can sneak it into any festival or event, because they can't deny you taking in bottles of water. And now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to have some of it. Lovely. Right, and if that don't work, I've got these fake sun cream bottles. And you fill it up, got a little funnel that goes on the top there, and you just pour your alcohol into the top, and then you get this little sticker, you place it on there, and then pop the lid on, and that's it. And if you get searched by the security, they'll just see a bottle of sun cream, that's it, you get through. Can't deny you that, but then again they can't deny you a sealed bottle of water, so you're pretty much sorted. Right, thanks for watching. Please like, rate, subscribe, all that shit. Right, thanks for watching, see you later.